Welcome back to Builders Highway. My name is Eric Schiederberg, and today we have something very special for you guys. This 2001 Porsche 996 Ruf RT12. So for the full RT12 conversion, this car has received a couple of the specific roof parts, including the front bumper, the very unique rear view mirrors, and of course, the very special air inlets for the intercoolers on the rear fenders, which are now on top of them instead of the side of the fender. And some of the other unique features to this car is of course the roof steering wheel. It has the seats, the roof gauges, and of course the roof's own integrated roll cage, which is semi-enclosed in the alcantara here on the roof, and you can see the cross member here in the rear. And another really cool thing is the SQS sequential shifter. So this car also has a full 3.8 liter upgrade. That upgrade gives it a little bit more of a GT3 kind of character to the engine. With the turbos and the intercoolers, roof themselves say about 650 horsepower. Now with a few upgrades, it's about 700 plus horsepower. And one other big thing this car has is a full set of Lean's road and track suspension. So we're very excited to have this car up for auction, and we really hope it goes to a great home who's going to drive this car. Don't miss out on the auction. Check out all the information and all the photos, and as always, good luck in the auction.